Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to be showing you how I achieved this particular design. Okay, it's a very simple design, shouldn't take long. Now let's head right into it. So as you can see, I use this particular image. Okay, I use this particular image. It's actually a model. You can get it from Canva. Okay, you can get this particular image from Canva. Let me see if I can see it. Where are you hiding? Mm-hmm. Where is she hiding? Mm-hmm. Wow, really hard. Oops, where are you hiding, young lady? Um, oh gosh. Okay, well, almost. Okay, this is the image. Okay, I use this particular image. Um, Now let's remove the background. Oh, it's taking time to load. I wonder why. Oops. Okay, this is the image I used. Then for the background, I removed for the background image. Um, I used this. Okay. So now we're almost there. Um, this increase this in this down a bit. Okay. Mm, mm, mm. Okay. Now one side has black and white, and while the other side is colored. So I duplicated this. Make sure that it's the same. Then use this edit filter black and white. Yes. So now we have the black and white version and we have the colors version. And another thing I did was this, this, this. Change this filter to black and white too. And then I added the blur effect from elements. I added blur effect from elements and I went with this one. This is my favorite blur element. just to cover this cutout part. Duplicated it, took it here. Can reduce the transparency so it's not too dark. Okay, so as you can see, this already looks beautiful, but there's something else I did. I removed the background of this, the background image. I removed the background. Mm, 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 mm. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't, because I am going to be creating more video tutorials and uploading them on YouTube. So this is it. Apply. Oops, I have to do that again. Sorry. Like I said, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and comment on this video if you found anything helpful, anything at all. And also it could be as a form of encouraging me to keep on creating this video tutorial. So filter, black and white, take it to the back. Sorry. Then reduce the transparency just a bit. Duplicate this, flip it, and take this back. So we're almost done. We are almost done with this. So we have the image, the background, the blur, and the last thing I added was think was falling leaves illustration. Okay, this is the one I used. So what I did was just to I did was duplicated this, just make sure that it went round. Duplicated this, make sure that it went round, and stuff like this. Duplicated this, duplicated this. So it looked as if the leaves are being blown by the wind around the image. Duplicated this. So that was pretty much how I got this design. Okay, as you can see, it's not going to be exactly the same thing, but it's like they are really similar. They look almost alike. So we have the falling leaves, we have the image of the model, we have the flower background, and that's it. That's how I achieved this design. So you can try something maybe with the leaves. You can just try put a model, then just use this falling leaf to decorate the design. It's going to be fun, trust me. It's going to be fun and colorful. So I'm gonna stop here for now, and bye bye. Stay tuned for the next video tutorial.